Yep, go, go, go. Whoa.
Oh, shit. Oh, my God. Matt Jackson, please grab the front of my bus. Please grab the front of my bus. You and your stupid camera. I'm terrified right now, Matt.
Welcome to VW Life.
We are about to embark on the adventure of a lifetime.
The dogs are barking. We've got 7 Volkswagens and we're finding the road to nowhere.
We are on the road to nowhere. Ladies and gentlemen, Big Ben Bus Pass 6, join us for the fun. Let's go. Who let the dogs out? So, are you ready?
I'm ready. Are you ready?
I am, and I'm wearing long pants and Matt Jackson's not, so who's the smart one here? Fog. Ladies and gentlemen, Big Ben Bus Pass 6, are y'all ready?
We kind of take over these small town gas stations. You know, there's 7 of us and there's only 2 pumps here.
We are stopping for lunch here in beautiful El Dorado, Texas. It is not a cloud in the sky. As Willie Nelson would say, blue skies smiling at me. And nothing but blue skies can I see.
Well, it's noontime. We've driven all morning long and we're getting into West Texas where there's less trees.
Yeah, there are not many trees out here right now. It's windy, but we're making great time. Buses, knock on wood, are running fine. That's, how many buses? 7? 7 buses.
We made it.
We made it to the Marfa Lights, Matt Jackson.
We made it to the Marfa Lights just in time to see the sunset.
Oh my God, it just got cold too. So this is where we're camping. This could be the greatest camping spot.
Is this camping?
This is camping.
This is like a rest stop.
You know what? How much does it cost?
Sleeping under a table at a roadside park.
A man could wake up dead.
All right, that's day 1 of our epic road trip, and tomorrow the adventure continues. Morning rise in Marfa, 31 degrees. We saw the Marfa Lights.
Woo! Well, they some fancy too lights, Matt Jackson.
And now the adventure begins.
Well, yeah, we head down to Big Ben now. We've got Econoline joined us.
Yeah, that's a nice rig down there. We've been off-roading a while, haven't we, boys?
Is that what they call that? I think I call that insanity.
Insanity. Let's show you the picture of insanity.
Yeah, lost the light.
Jason lost his light and he's covered in dirt.
I can't see out of him anymore, but
This is what off-roading will do to you.
here, you want to see the
Covered in dirt.
Got my tailpipe. I ain't got no tailpipe in there.
Parts fell off.
That looked like fun. Oh, you're good.
You're level now.
I don't think he might not go much lower. He's on his hitch. You're level.
You're not spinning. You're not spinning. Oh, wait. Hold on. You dug a hole.
I went fast.
Grabbers.
Forward. Oh! Do over. Right there. You're level.
No, you're not.
Good morning, sunshine. Willie, look who's up.
All right, day 3, second night of camping. This was much better than the pit stop along the highway. We found this canyon right here. Look at this, Jake.
I know, Matt Jackson. I feel like we just filmed a whole episode.
I think we did.
Yeah.
It got down to like 30 something. Not as cold as the first night. Had a nice time by the fire too.
'Twas.
We hope you enjoy what you're watching. We're just kind of going along with the flow, so this is going to be a real chilled out camping VW bus episode.
It's a little dusty out here in Big Bend. Jesus, Matt Jackson.
It's time to break camp and go explore. I think there's a trail we want to check out up over that way.
Oh, the first flat on the Big Bend bus bash in 6 years.
He has a flat?
6 years and 7,000 miles. Back right.
Jason.
That's some trash, man.
So we've got a tire change. Something happened, we'll figure that out later, but we've got a spare up on Gary's rack and we're gonna throw it on there.
Got her?
Got it. All right.
So we all like running the General Grabber AT2s on our buses. They also have the ATX, but Gary's got the spare and it's gonna go on.
Again.
Yeah, look,
He busted off his valve stem. That's what did it.
Whoa.
All right, just think NASCAR. Ooh, I got some tire wear on that, huh?
All right, so we're teetering on a small little trolley jack.
And Matt Jackson's filming, not helping.
And these two guys are physically holding up the bus from tipping over. So it's safety first here at VW Life. The reason why we did both these wheels, this tire, the spare tire is slightly taller. So we don't want two different size tires on the rear. It can mess up your diff, right? All right, tire change complete. Time to get back on the trail.
Okay.
All right, well, we got stuck going forward. We're gonna try it backwards.
Coming right out of it. No more. Back, whoa. Holy moly.
You look great, Willie.
All I see is my bus tumbling down the side of the mountain. Willie! Go up the mountain, they say. It'll be fun, they say. Whose idea was this? No, you don't. Matt Jackson gets the drone. Oh, look, it's a nice little road.
This is something, I'm telling you.
This is something. Dude, I was had the visions of my falling off in that.
Oh, so you were stuck right here.
I was, right in here. And I was like, it was like at about a 45-degree lift.
The camera doesn't show it, but it is, it goes down quick right there.
This is yeah. I mean, down to Greg's bus is 80 feet.
Yeah.
Right to where Greg is. So we got to get Bayla to spin around.
He could probably back up the whole way. That's Mexico, y'all. Yep, go, go, go. Whoa.
Oh, shit. Oh, my God. Matt Jackson, please grab the front of my bus. Please grab the front of my bus. You and your stupid camera. Please help me. I'm going to tip over.
Hey, guys, he's tipping over.
Oh, my God. Dude, I'm terrified right now, Matt. I'm tipping over.
Holy shit!
Tipping over.
No,
please stop.
no. This.
Oh, dude, I'm terrified.
Hey, turn your wheel a little bit to the right.
All right. You're fine.
Got it. There you go.
Oh, it's scratching my paint.
Big Ben Mustache!
Ladies and gentlemen, if you like what you see, make sure you hit that like button. Subscribe to more Volkswagen Instant.